1994 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 regular cab here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Well-maintained vehicle, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual miles at 94,896 on the odometer at the moment. 305 V8, that's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. As we take a look at the front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds, as you can see, bug shield already in place. Light autumn wood and dark autumn wood, two-tone combination. I do want to point out on the hood, and I don't know if I can get them to show up or not, there's a few real light kind of hail dings, and it's tough to get them to show up. It's tough to see them, period, on this light autumn wood. And there's also one kind of scuff ding right there, if you can see it. Again, I got to get the light just right. There you can kind of see a couple in the background there. Again, pretty small, pretty minor. Don't get me wrong, this truck's got a lot of life left in it. Check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, engine bay, interior, bed, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Technician noted, tire date codes 2022. A lot of life left on those Michelins. You'll be able to see close up of the tread depth in the still pictures. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see around the fender wells, lower rockers, solid cab corner, looking good. You might find an imperfection here or there. I mean, it is a 1994, it's over 30 years old now. But overall, very nice shape. Bench seat. Original cloth fabric, also nice shape. Stock dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. There is a Duraliner, bed liner in this one. Also nice and clean and tidy. Let's take a look at the tailgate. Also in good shape, and once again, those still pictures, you're going to be able to see the underside. Engine bay, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. There's also miscellaneous receipts for some repairs, new gaskets, axle and tranny were gone through, and more. This truck's also been Z-barred and all. See if we can see those spots. Sometimes they had little plugs in the doors. Brakes are 75% in the front, 75% in the rear. Let's take a look down this driver's side. And again, you can see lower rockers around the wheel wells. Good shape, cab corner. It's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. Kind of, again, you might find a spot that's been touched up. Maybe a little imperfection. But overall, considering age and miles, truck shows well. If you like these Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. We get quite a few of these in from time to time. I don't see the plug, so it looks like the Z-bar must have been like the undercoating. So check out the underside pics. Again, and a folder full of some service receipts will go along with this truck. Power windows, power locks. Over here in the door. Cruise control, tilt column, you can see seat free of rip stairs, holes. You'll be able to see the carpeting underneath the floor mats and the still pictures. That's in nice shape. There's your exact miles, 94,896. It's fired up. Tech also did note we do have a little crack in the dash here. And one in the center also. Stereo working. AM, FM, and then cassette player. Of course. Your cup holders right there. Looks like all the gauges working. Oil pressure. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Battery. Fuel gauge looking good. Headliner also good shape. We will take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. But first, let's take a listen. Sounds like you'd expect a stock 94 Silverado to sound. Let's see if I can get this hood one-handed here. Alright, hood liner. And engine bay. 305 V8. Power steering, power brakes, AC blowing cold. It's like a newer compressor. Runs smooth, sounds good, no surprises underneath the hood. There you have it. Stick around just a little longer, see how it goes down the road. 94 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 regular cab, clean Carfax, actual miles, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. 507-386-1726 number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1994 Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck. This truck less than 100,000 miles on the odometer. It's automatic on the column. The AC blows cold in this truck. The wipers are working. I hear one little squeak, maybe coming from the back corner of the cab in this truck. Otherwise, a nice quiet ride. There's a couple dents in the hood. The stereo works well. We've got a tilt column. Cloth bench seat in this truck. Cruise control does work. Our oil pressure is showing 60 psi. The temperature is just coming up to a quarter of the way up the gauge. Battery's charging over 14 volts, and the fuel tank is showing me 3/4 on the gauge. We do have a crack right up. You may not be able to see it up in the dash towards the defrost vent. Brakes are working well. This particular shade of browns and beiges, a little different, looks nice. Not as common, I would say. Corners well, corners the way it should for a 94 Chevy pickup truck. Acceleration is good. A nice smooth ride from this truck. Take a look at all the pictures over at uniqueclassiccars.com.